All right, if you're gearing up for the 2026 engineering admissions, this one's for you. We're taking a close look at Sri Jayaram Institute of Engineering and Technology in Tiruvallur. Now remember this code, it's TNEA Code 1150. Let's break down everything you and your parents need to know. So, what's the first thing you need to know? Well, it's an ANA University-affiliated college, and it was established back in 2014. And here's the most important part for all you applicants. Admission is through the TNEA counseling process. Okay, let's get right into the details. First up, the college's identity and location. These are the key facts you'll want for your shortlist. So this slide really gives us the college's basic profile. It's a self-financing institution affiliated with ANA University. It's a co-ed campus, so it's open to both boys and girls. And here's a really important number for you. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota via TNEA. And of course, it's located in the Tiruvallur district.
All right, now for the main event, what can you actually study here? Let's look at the BE and BTech programs available for 2026.
Okay, so the total number of undergraduate seats is 300. That's a pretty focused intake, you know? It means you're likely to be part of a smaller, more close-knit batch of students, not just another face in a giant crowd. They offer 5 different programs, and it's pretty straightforward. Each one has an intake of 60 students. You've got BTech in Agricultural Engineering, BE in Biomedical Engineering, and the classic BE Mechanical Engineering. Then, moving over to the tech side of things, there's a BTech in AI and Data Science, and of course, a BE in Computer Science and Engineering.
And this is actually quite interesting when you look closely. 4 of their 5 programs are what we'd call New Age. They were all started in 2018 or later. We're talking agricultural, biomedical, AI and data science, and computer science. This really shows the college is focusing on fields that are in high demand right now.
Okay, let's talk about what's on everyone's mind. Placements. What happens after the 4 years? Let's look at the career outcomes.
So, according to the data submitted for TNEA 2025, the college has a self-reported placement percentage of 80%. That's a pretty solid number, and definitely a key statistic to consider when you're making your choice. Academics and placements are super important, for sure. But what about daily life on campus? Let's get into the practical details, like hostels and transport.
Good news for students coming from out of town. The college has hostel facilities available for both boys and girls. Digging a bit deeper into the logistics, the mess offers both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options, so you've got choices there. The college also provides its own transport facility. And if you're planning to travel by train, the nearest railway station is Elavur, which is about 3 kilometers away. You know, sometimes to understand where a college is going, you have to look at where it came from. So let's briefly touch on the founding and management behind the institute.
The whole story really starts back in 2002 with the Sri Jaya Vignesh Educational Trust. After more than a decade of experience in education, the trust then established this engineering college, the Sri Jayaram Institute, in 2014, right there in Elavur.
And the person behind it all is the founder, industrialist Sri J. Sekhar. He established the college under the banner of the Sri Jaya Vignesh Educational Trust, giving it that foundational leadership. Just to be clear, all the information we've presented today has been gathered from the college's own official website and from government portals. And it's all based on the data that was available at the time we prepared this explainer. So, what do you think? Is this mix of core and new age engineering what you're looking for? To really know for sure, you've got to compare it with other options. For that, you can explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.